Every journey begins with a single step. Every dream begins with a new beginning.
And every unforgettable college memory begins here.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಸೇರಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸುಗಳಿಗೆ ರೆಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಡಿ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಯಿರಿ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಫ್ರೆಷರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ.
So freshers, get ready for unforgettable experience.
Meet new friends.
Enjoy amazing performances.
And create memories that stay with you forever.
A day of celebrations, music, performances, laughter and friendship that cherish you forever.
Join us and make your first college celebration truly unforgettable.
See you at Freshers Day. Let's celebrate together. You are invited.